No,
She's like,
show it.
damn.
Don't show it. Take it out. Yeah, you can't take it. If you take it off, it won't record anymore.
Lacerated his anus.
Oh my god.
Why?
Oh, he's gonna have to go to the hospital.
And he's
Oh.
not even screaming. Is something scary gonna pop up right now? Like, I hate those.
Oh, it's gonna keep
That's a
recording.
lot of blood.
Oh.
I can't. Oh. Who do you call? Like, you know what I mean? Like,
But he's not even flinching. Look at him.
He's scared. He's in shock.
he doesn't know what the fuck. He's just trying to get that glass out of
He's
his
afraid.
asshole.
Yeah.
He likes it.
Did I make you clench your butt?
This is fucking disturbing.
Squeeze your butt.
This is really disturbing.
Oh no! But I think he likes it because I think if you look at his legs, he really has like scars and stuff on his thighs.
Oh.
And what about that earthworm?
Yeah, he probably
What
like
about that? What is
he
that
likes to
right
cut his
there?
blood on a daily basis.
No, that's dangerous.
Oh,
That could cause
Yeah.
internal bleeding.
what is that? What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are they
What are you doing?
Oh my god, you guys!
That was so much glass. Did you know that it was gonna break?
No, I don't think so. It's a pop. Like,
Pop
He's
goes
like
with
sat on it, huh?
yeah.
Is he gonna like bleed to death and then
You know
pass
how he's
out?
gonna die on the table? Like, what is he doing?
He's like, fuck.
Should I just